Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by reading the profile carefully. Many accounts list a business email in the bio or offer an email/contact button. Once done, tap that action. Instagram surfaces whatever the user provided, often a Gmail address for business use. If no button exists, make sure to follow linked websites and story highlights. Those often host contact pages or forms. Doing this first saves time and stays within platform rules because you're using information the account owner chose to share publicly. Next, you move to outreach that respects privacy. Send a polite, direct message stating who you are and why you need their email. Include a clear call to action and a professional tone. Once done, offer your contact info so they feel safe replying. For business accounts, use Instagram's inquiry tools or look for a contact form on their linked website. These steps work because they prompt voluntary disclosure rather than attempting to extract private data without consent. Finally, escalate only when you have a legitimate legal reason, copyright, contract, or law enforcement needs. You can request contact details through formal channels like a copyright takedown or a properly scoped GDPR request if applicable. Make sure to document why you need the contact. If you receive no reply, respect that boundary and reevaluate your need. Don't attempt invasive methods. Troubleshooting tip: if responses stall, verify your message clarity and provide alternative contact options to encourage a reply.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.